Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. It's been a long time. We have an Ipsy box, and this is the seasonal icon box. So this was curated by Patrick Starr. So I'm probably way later than other people opening this. I decided to resubscribe to Ipsy on my birthday, I think. I was like more prone to splurge then because, well, one reason, I pretty much got rid of all my makeup collection because it was all old. I haven't really had many makeup subscriptions or anything in years, and I was really minimal on my makeup for a while. So I just did a big clean, got rid of everything expired, and I was like, you know what, this is a perfect time to get a beauty subscription again on the channel because I need some makeup and skincare and all of that, and plus it's super fun. So I know you guys already know about Ipsy. I will link them down below if you want to subscribe. So this is jam-packed with stuff. So this one is like $60. So it's more, I also will be getting the monthly regular Ipsy Glam Bag after this, which is around $15 a month. And I did try on some of the items in the box already. So yeah, the box is already open, kind of a mess. And I didn't get to customize this one because I subscribed later in the month. So yeah, I think that's everything. So normally you do get to customize. So it comes with like the newspaper type thing. There's Patrick Starr there and talks about all the items inside. So I did glance at this briefly. I'm excited to look at it a little bit more. I don't think it talks like too much about the items, just like brief descriptions and why I believe he chose the items that are in here. So there is a variety of items. Not everyone will get the same. And we got a lot in here, mixture of skincare, makeup, even a hair care item. How about we start off with the skincare? I did not try any skincare items. So I got by Dermalactives, the Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Purifying Cleansing Gel. I think this is really pretty, like luxe packaging. So let's read more about it. I don't know. I didn't even look at this much yet, just looked at the packaging. It did come in a bubble wrap, not a box. It says, this incredibly gentle alcohol-free cleansing gel purifies the skin by lifting and removing makeup, oil-based debris, and impurities. A calming combination of minerals, aloe vera, arctium, kappa root, and fruit extracts actually refresh, cleanse, and soften and smooth the skin. Awesome. I am actually running low on my regular cleanser. I still have like an oil cleanser for my first cleanse. So this is actually perfect. I can't wait to try it. It's like got a little weight to it. I'm not sure what the pricing is. Should I look at the pricing for every item? Let's see if it's in here, if I can find it quick. If not, we'll just forget it. Okay. There it is. So this is in his section, Primetime Prep. And this is $70. I had a feeling, just you can just tell when packaging is like, they spent a little bit more on packaging. $70. So that's more than I paid for. I would never personally buy a $70 cleanser, but getting it in a subscription box is definitely very nice. So let's move on. Next up, we have the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. I may have tried this a long time ago. I honestly always like the Saturday Skin products I try, so I'm excited to get into this one. I'm not quite ready to open a new moisturizer, but I will try this soon. And I am going to do, if you guys haven't seen, I get Allure Beauty Box now too. I do a little review of the items at the end of the video, so I'll do that next time as well with Ipsy for anyone interested. I can give some first impressions today, but I can give more reviews at the end of my videos moving forward. So this has probiotics in it. Unveil your luminosity, a soft and luxurious cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant skin. Looks like there's some niacinamide in it. Nice. So I can show you guys this outside the box in case you want to know. We get 1.52 fluid ounces. Oh, look at that. Holographic. It's fun. And let's see if I can find the price on this for anyone curious. This is $45, and this is in his section Binge-Worthy Beauty. And I think we have one other skincare, and this is a mask by The Professional. I haven't tried this brand in a while. I always think of their primers, but this is a quick smoothing pore mask, Speedy Smooth. So it smooth skin instantly and over time. Pores look instantly refined. Gel formula transforms to clay and changes color when dry. So the power ingredients in this are celery and flaxseed extracts, what help visibly improve the skin textures and refine the look of pores. And there's also hyaluronic acid and squalane, which helps with hydration, mineral-rich sea silt. Sea silt, what's that? I don't know. Helps exfoliate and smooth skin. Oh, it's like the gritty stuff. Okay. Cool. It's like a 5-minute mask. I'm excited to try this. I am working on clearing out my pores. I have a lot of like, what do they call it? Like the sebum oil plugs around my nose and stuff. I've been working on that actively, so I'm excited to get this and try it out. And this one, oh, this is in a different section. I guess that makes sense. So we got a different item in each of his categories. This is in Ready for Your Close-Up category, and this is $39. Wow. And then let's look at the hair item, and we'll get into the makeup and stuff. What item is, well, I don't know what this, the next one is kind of hair care in a way, too. We'll do that next. So this is by Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Multiple Volume Styling Mist. Body and light hold for fine hair. I do have fine hair, so that is nice. And I do style my hair more now and use heat on it. I didn't for a long time. I use like the blow dryer brush by Revlon. I do that. And then the second day I usually just use a wand and brush through it really quick. So that's why I have a little bit of waves going on now. But I'm excited to get hair products now. Before in the past I would have been like, I don't know. I have tried things in this Caviar Anti-Aging line before, but not this specifically. It says this lightweight mist makes hair appear twice as thick and full. That would be nice. We'll see how that holds up. So you spray this through clean towel dried hair prior to blow drying. All right. I will try this out next time. Does this have heat protectant in it? I don't think so. So I'll probably use my heat protectant and this. But we'll see. So this is in the Screen Time Secrets category. And this is $30. I like how there's categories. I don't know. Something about that's really fun. The next item I'm really excited about is by Kosas, and it's their Grow Potion Fluffy Brow and Lash Boosting Serum. So I recently tried a lash serum, the one by Grande Cosmetics, or the Grande Lash Serum, and my eye got pretty irritated. My right eye, like underneath, got red. It looked like I was bruised there or something. So I tossed that. But this one, I think I'm more excited to use it on my brows, because my brows are pretty sparse, especially on the ends here. Especially this one, I think, because I might sleep more on that side. So I'm super excited to see how this works. It makes my brows more fluffy and growing. And I like that you can use it on your lashes too. So what's in here? We have a trio of peptides, vegan keratin, provitamin B5, hyaluronic acid, vegan cruelty-free. Let's see, a clean 2-in-1 brow and lash boosting serum powered by peptides and vegan keratin that accelerates the appearance of fuller, feathery, and longer, thicker lashes. So you apply it at night. Use the flatter side of the applicator to coat the entire brow area, and then there's an angle pointed tip to apply along the lash line. Let's look at it, because I will start using this tonight. Okay. So there's that, like, the flat side, and then you can use the point. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. I know like there's a lot going on behind me, but I feel like when I'm away from the window and closer to my desk area, my tarot area, the lighting's better. So let me know. I am going to save up money to invest in new lighting, I think. But anyways, let's see what category is this in. There's so many items. We have a whole category that's of Patrick's brand, one size. We'll get there. Whoa, this is $48. The value is insane. I love that. So now let's move on to the makeup items. We got 2 by Patrick Starr. One was complexion. I love getting complexion, so I have it on today. I tried all of these items. Well, most, because some are like multi. One size, Turn Up the Base BB Cream, so Beauty Blur Balm. So this is 1 fluid ounce, and I got it in fair with golden undertones. I selected. I'm more neutral, but I actually think it worked, even though I do have like some color going on. It looks more red in camera. I'm not like burnt or anything. So it might be a little light for me, or a little yellow in a way, but I actually didn't mind it. It worked better than I thought. So I think it did a good job. I usually use the It Cosmetics CC cream, and that's more dewy. I didn't set this or anything, so it's a little bit more matte. It didn't like blur my fine lines completely. Nothing really does. I feel like they're more evident maybe now. But I actually really like it. I have a big pimple right here, and I picked it. I know I'm not supposed to do that. It was so good for a while, but like I just couldn't take it anymore. And it was really red because it happened this morning, and I was able to build this over it, and it covered it pretty well. I don't know, I can't really tell, at least from how I'm seeing the camera right now, my reflection. And yeah, I think this is actually really good. I love trying new products. Oh, there's me, if anyone didn't notice yet. So yeah, I really like this. I'm excited to try it more. I'll see how it holds up. I'm filming this way earlier than normal, and I'm going out to dinner later, so I would love if I didn't have to redo my makeup or anything. I don't really plan to, but I'll see how it works, see what the wear time is like, and I'll keep wearing it. And again, I'll let you know at the end of the next Ipsy video how what my actual thoughts are, not just first impressions of these items, but first impressions. I do like this, even if the shade match isn't perfect, like not looking like my body is darker than my face. I still really like it. And now I didn't want to mix it today, but I can mix it with like my It Cosmetics. I have that in 2 shades, and the shade that's a little darker with this one, and then I can get maybe more of a dewy look. But I like this. I did use bronzer. I think that helped a little bit, but let's see, where's this on here? This is $35, which that's not bad for like a BB cream. I'm like thinking about what I pay for the It Cosmetics CC cream. I think it's around that. Okay, and then we have some lip liners that is not from one size. That's from a different brand. And then we have a duo lip product. I'm gonna let's move the box out of my lap. Okay, so the lip liner. I think this is super cool. So this is Formula Z, or no, it's Transforming Beauty Z. I don't know what the brand is. Is it Transforming Z or Formula Z? Happy Stick Duo Lip Liner Squad and Artistry Sharpener. So you get 2 eyeshadow or eyeliners, but it's dual ended, so you really get 4. And I really like them. So this is what it looks like in the package. I swatched all of them. I put on this shade here today, but I think all of these shades are great and very usable, and will go with the lippies I have, which isn't that many, but this went really well with the lip product I have on that I'll talk about next. But these are really creamy, really nice, and I'm super excited to try them more. I don't know if the lighting's the best. Hopefully you can see the difference in them. They are different, but they're all, yeah, I just really like it. I don't know, I'm excited to try them out. I feel like you can see more contrast in the colors in person, but hopefully you guys can see. But I really like it. I'm super excited to use these. So like I said, I don't have as much makeup now, and I feel like I really do like lip liner. So I'm super excited to have this. Let's see. I'm putting everything behind me, aren't I? Let's see what section this is in. I love the categories. This is in Glam on Air. It's awesome. So you really do get 1 of each. So there's a lot of variety. Let me know what you guys got if you got this box. So Formula Z Cosmetics, this $42. Damn. And last but not least, we got another item by One Size Beauty. This is the Lip Snatcher Velvet Flex Cream and Cushion Gloss Lip Duo, and I got it in Mother Star. And this one, since I have this open right here, let's just look at it. This has a $28 value. And I really like this. So I put on the liquid lip first, and that went on really nice. I'll swatch these. And smells good. Like icing, you know, like the bakery type smells that they often have. So there it is, and you can see the lip liner I used, so that went really well with that. It's really creamy when it dries down, but really comfortably. So I put this on, and then I just went in the bathroom and did my hair really quick, and then I came back and put the gloss on. And it looks more like pink in here, I think, but it pairs really well. It smells good too. Yeah, so those are those two together. I really like it. I'm used to wearing very like light lippies lately, like more like pinky shades, but I really like this. Like I like it a lot, and I'm excited to wear it more. I feel like it goes with a lot of it can go with really anything, like any makeup look, a lot of makeup looks at least. So I'm excited to use this more. I'm excited to use all these items. I am going to use all of them. You know, I do have a smaller collection now, but before I would give away a lot of items, but I'm gonna use all of these. I'm super excited. Expect a follow-up in the next Ipsy video. I don't know if I'll get to the moisturizer though, but otherwise we'll use all of the items. And I'm pretty sure I've used that moisturizer before and I liked it, so. But yeah, if I don't get to that, I apologize, but yeah, just gonna go through my items as I need them. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I'm super excited to be doing more beauty videos, beauty unboxings again, and getting back into a routine of doing makeup. I really like it. It's really fun. And I feel like it builds up confidence and makes me feel good as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Let me know if you guys still get Ipsy and what you got if you do. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for being here. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Mwah.